Hello everyone, so today we're here at Chong Hospital near Fuente. It's the Cebu City branch and we'll be availing their holiday promo for executive checkup. So let's go ahead and experience executive checkup at Chong Hospital Cebu City branch.
And then ako pakilapanin mo with your name, address, and telephone number. Yes, signature lang yan. Available price 90/16 available price meal. So mag-focus yung house and way.
Congee buffet.
So for the congee, congee and hospital.
There were 9 options from the menu, so you just need to choose it ahead before your scheduled executive checkup. You have your own bacteria in your own table, and then you also have banana here, and then you can get congee from the congee buffet. This is what I got. And then fish, bangus.
you get to eat in one table because you will be separated from other patients. One patient per table lang jud siya. And the food, of course, you would really love your food because you get to choose from their menu. You get to choose from the 9 different meals. And also, everything is sanitized. You have your own Dactygel on your table, and then you just remove your mask and your shield whenever you eat. Put it back after you eat. And then so, safe good siya guys. Because once you enter the executive checkup room, the dining area is in the same room, so you don't have to go to another department, mingle with other patients just to get your executive checkup and have your meal. Because of course, 10 hours mo mag-fasting. That means you won't be allowed to take in anything, food, liquid, within 10 hours. So what I did is 10 o'clock, I stopped everything na jud. So I made sure na nakakaon ako before 10 o'clock. So the next day, medyo gutom siya, but when you come here, your meal is already prepared for you. All you need is to undergo the checkup and everything's already prepared. So if you noticed a while ago, upon entering the hospital, we were greeted by the security guard holding the sanitizer. So at the first point of entry pa lang sa hospital is naanda tayo sanitation. So there were questions asked by the nurse in the triage just to make sure na you did not mingle with any COVID patients before your visit here.
Hi ma'am, magkulit ta sa imuhang urinalysis. Kinahanglan midstream, not the first, not the last. So in between ka makulit sa imong urine, clean cut, ha? Clean cut, and then dinhi lang sa taman. Ayaw lang ipon, ayaw lang po din. Gamay lang. Yung damit, tunga lang din sa half, sa baso.
So, dali lang.
Yes, so mo na among CR. Okay, going to ECG room na tayo. What's your name, ma'am? Margrette. Margrette, okay. Welcome to the ECG room, vascular 3. Okay. Okay.
Oh, like that.
So guys, we're here at the ECG room. Of course, we'll be removing some clothes. So see you later on our next step. Bye! For my experience sa ECG, it's actually very quick. So wires were connected sa aking arms, my legs, and every attachment is sanitized before they put it on my arm, on my legs. And even the apparatus they placed on my chest was also sanitized. Everything was sanitized, and even their linens. Each patient, once done with their session, the linen is actually changed. So fresh good linens nila every time na patient mo sulod. So very safe, so secure, and once again very sanitized. So it's really safe here in Chongwa. So all of the tests conducted today were done here at Chongwa Cebu City Hospital branch. But they also have 2 branches, but we're here at the branch near Fuente. So if you want to have your executive checkup conducted, please make sure to visit the Chongwa Hospital branch here in Cebu City near the Fuente Osmeña Circle. So today we availed the executive checkup holiday promo. They have a lot of promos available for ECU. Please do make sure to check the description box or the caption of this post to make sure you're well informed sa tanan services na available. I'll be sharing the services, the rates, and the contact information that you would be needing when you would like to avail the executive checkup here at Cebu City branch of Chongwa Hospital.
Okay. So I need to remove.
Yes, ma'am. Everything.
Okay guys, so stay there because I'm gonna be removing clothes again. So see you later.
Okay, okay. Ma'am, also look forward. Wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Move your left. Ma'am, namin instruction on ha. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Exhale. Okay.
Ma'am Margrette. Congratulations, you're done now with the ECG, chest x-ray, blood extraction, and then already nakahatag na ka sa imong urinalysis. So I have a few questions mo regarding your personal history. So, Ma'am Margrette, you're done with all your executive checkup package plan 1. So your result will be released tomorrow afternoon.
Gonna come here?
It's up to you, ma'am, but beforehand, we will text you.
Or is it available online?
Yeah, we have
I
also online. We have also online. Please visit to our www.chongwa.com.ph and then find the results. Patient portal.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Chongwa Hospital, for allowing us to experience executive checkup. So guys, Chongwa Hospital Cebu City will be having executive checkup on holiday promo until the end of January 2021. So hurry and book your appointments now. So even if I feared visiting the hospital during the pandemic, I really felt safe and secure here at Chongwa Hospital. And guys, don't forget, once you come here at Chongwa Hospital, you need to be wearing a full face shield and a face mask as well.